Hi everybody, I'm going to show you a quick video on how to make a really sweet card in a very short time for somebody who's special in your life. I'm going to start with a toothbrush. It's loaded with yellow paint and I'm just going to flick it onto the card surface here and there. I'm going to rinse that out. And maybe use a little pink. Yeah, a little pink. Or a little blue. We'll do blue. Now what I'm using are these like Crayola trays, which are great if you want to grab one real quick and do a quick project, because I don't like to haul all my stuff out. Oops. I've got to get a little TP here. Not that that'll hurt it too much, but I didn't want that. Doop. There we go. Hey, that worked. Okay, so I want to continue to flick the blue on there because I want it to stand out. Okay, we let that dry, and I'm going to come back to you later. Back again, and I'm going to go to the next step of this, and it's to add a little bit of green. Now what I'm going to be using, so you can see it, these little Crayola trays of color. They're perfect if you want to do a quickie card. Their brushes leave something to be desired. So I'm going to be using this, which is a water brush. And it's got water in it, and I could just quickly do this to get the color I want. Okay. So I'm going to come up from the bottom. I'm going to be making some stems for flowers. Can you see that okay? You can. Good. I don't know why I keep wanting to lose water on that. There, that should be plenty. Now I'm going to let that dry, and I will be back with you. Okay, I'm back. And I'm going to start placing what I call applications on this, or like that. This is a butterfly that I cut out of Google Images. And then I have these little flowers I got at Michael's that I can just place on here. And I can have fun figuring out where I want to place them. And there should be an uneven number there. And I think that makes a really cute card. So there you have it. And on the inside, this is for Mother's Day. I also went into Google Images and I looked for Mother's Day greetings. That's what I typed in. And I got a very nice calligraphy writing, which I will cut out and put in the inside. And I'll probably continue painting this on the inside of the card. And I will probably come down this way and, you know, draw the flowers come in so they match the flowers that are here. And I'll show you that when that is done. Okay, this is the interior of the card, and I will be placing an image that I found on Google's Images. This is a greeting, a Mother's Day greeting, and you'll notice I put these stickies on the back because I want to elevate it, and I think I will put it at an angle. It's more interesting, and just set it in, and that it has a little shadow. And there is the interior of the card and the exterior of the card, which I will place all these on. And anyway, there you have it. A fun little Mother's Day card for somebody special in your life. Thank you for joining me in my studio, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.